This is the ZELUS baseball net with tee kit. It's portable and used for hitting and pitching, softball or baseball. It comes with this weighted 16-ounce ball though, which is great for practicing, helps build your skill. Here's my husband hitting a few balls. This item was sent to me for the purpose of this review, but the opinions are of my own. It also comes with the adjustable and portable tee stand, which can go from a height of 24 to 48 inches. It's wrapped in rubber for better shock absorption and has a tripod for improved stability. It's an ultra quick setup, usually takes about 2 minutes to set up and 2 minutes to take down. My husband is doing it here, and it took about a minute and a half to put it all down. However, I am going to speed it up. It's kind of like a tent type setup, so each piece just kind of fits into the other and they snap on together. It's really easy though. This was our first time setting it up and taking it down, and it was no problem. The size of this tent is 5 feet by 5 feet, so it does provide ample space for practicing. It's ideal for adults and children, can be used indoor or outdoor at your own discretion. I just love how portable this is, and all of it fits into that little carrying case.